This is a used 2014 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 5,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, electric trunk, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Hackey Webb Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2150 West Ogden Avenue, Downers Grove, Illinois 60515.